I'm back after about a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. Um, Modern Warfare 4 might be coming out this November. That's Activision's. According to them, there will be a new Call of Duty game at the end of this year, but there has been no confirmed information when it will come out or the name. But well, what everyone is predicting that it will be Modern Warfare 4. It will not be Black Ops 3. So anyway, yeah, we can say that there will be a Modern Warfare 4 game coming out at the end of this year, most probably at November. And yeah, haven't got much news about it yet. And the logo, what you guys are seeing right now, is not even confirmed, so this is just an idea of some fan art and stuff. So anyway, stay subscribed for the latest gaming news and etc. Hope you liked it.